Welcome back all. Today I will be reviewing the Samurai Handsaw, which is of 330 millimeters long, the blade. And what we can see from here, I used a measure tape here, and it's about 47 cm wide. One of the reasons I bought this handsaw but not other brands is that the ISA 3 championship, T3 climbing championship needs a handsaw to be at least of 33 cm and a maximum of 58 cm long, including the hand. And in the market I saw this one is a bit relatively longer than the others in the handheld section. It has been used once, just yesterday, and we can see quite dirty on the blade itself, but we will use it soon later. You can see I have a cord attached, but it is a present for me doing volunteering in the ISA 3 Climbing Championship 2022. Also, this small carabiner is also sent to me as a gift when I was volunteering. People say that this handsaw is quite sharp, and it's useful for when we participate in the tree climbing championship. We have to cover the teeth of this blade of the saw. We can use it with carton boxes, and also use some tapes to tape off, avoiding it coming into contact with the rings and bells in the competition. That's all.